G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, warm cheek up to another Rip Roaring episode of Who's the Best Looking Carpenter About. Today on the green build, we're going to be looking at the brickwork. Now, we've used reclaimed and recycled bricks from a secondhand brick trader, Stephen's Bricks. Thanks heaps, Steve-O. Really appreciate that, buddy. So, due to them all being secondhand, the bricks are different sizes, different places. Some of them are different ages. Some of them are over 100, 120 years old, to some of the newer ones, but they're all solid clinker bricks. Because of that, the brickie that I got was Ivor Whopper. And Ivor Whopper has been in the industry for many, many years and is a super skilled bricklayer and craftsman. Due to this, I'm doing the laboring for him. He's doing all of the laying of the bricks. Not much of a layer myself. So what you'll be seeing is a week's worth of work condensed. As we finish certain sections of the brick wall, we'll be moving our scaffolding up, putting new planks on. When that happens, we have to let the brickwork settle. We can't just go and put our scaffolding straight into that or onto that the next day. That has to cure for a certain length of time before we can do that. I did have a heap of videos showing over how flat the brick wall was, but because of the camera system that we're using, I've lost a few videos along the way. So I'll do the best that I can to show you all of those bits and pieces as we go. You'll notice that I'm doing all of the labouring. The labour work for bricking is labour intensive. There is no shortcuts to it. You need to be standing, you need to be passing up the bricks as we go. We need to be shoveling up that mortar as we go. Another thing to pay heed to is the labourer has to stay in front of the brickie. The labourer has to be on site first, and he's pretty much the last one to leave. Not only do they have to set up for the brickie, but they also have to be making mud all day long, cleaning things down, moving materials about, and at the very end of the day, cleaning up the entire site as well. So very labour intensive, but a very high skilled job is bricklaying. If you've got any questions or queries about bricklaying, please flick them over to me and I'll answer them for you best I can whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal, banana peel. I'll see you in the soup.